picking up the signal from the power cell.
Again? Last time that thing led us to a burrito and a microwave.
Left again! They're getting away! Right! Look out! Left, right! Wow!
Yeah! This is more fun than a Shriners parade!
What are you saying? Right!
We lost him.
I suppose Krang has once again been foiled by turtles and failed to retrieve that which Krang was to retrieve. Krang is wrong. Krang has retrieved it. In Krang's space. The power cell. The power cell. The power cell.
That's it. We're going to see Leatherhead.
Leatherhead?
He's the one who took the power cell from the Krang. He's the one who might know where to find it.
He's also the one who likes to grab my face and shake me like a rag doll.
Good times.
Zip it!
Oh, come on. He's a pussy cat who likes to grab your face and shake you like a rag doll. Right. Let's move.